Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another tutorial video with Divan Sasuko. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to retouch this image and make it look smooth and nice. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial video. But for now, let's just get started. So on this video I'm going to show you how to retouch this image and like do frequency separation manually. So at first what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate the background layer. It's either I drag it down here or I click on my command J to duplicate it. So it's still the same thing, but on this video I'm going to click on my command J twice to duplicate the layer. So once I'm done duplicating this layer, I'll select the down layer, or let me just name it this as copy. Sorry guys, this as 1 and this as 2. So I'm going to select the 2 and I'll close the visibility of this one. So I'll just add filter and Gaussian blur to it. So I'm going to use 4, the radius to 4. So after that, you can see the image is looking blurry, but you shouldn't worry. I'll come back to this layer 1. I'll now open the visibility and I'll go to my image and I'll click on apply image. So once I click on apply image, I'll come to where I have my layer. I'll make sure I merge it with the layer 2, and also I'll change the blending to subtract. So once changing it to subtract, yours might not show this setting, but make sure the opacity is at 100, the scale at 2, the offset at 1 to 8. So once you're done with this, you just hit OK. So after hitting OK, you come to this blending mode, you change it to linear light. So once you're done changing it to linear light and you are sure you've done that, you just go ahead and grouping the 2 layers right here. So after grouping the 2 layers, you now know that this layer 1 is actually for the skin texture. If you want to remove the blemishes, you use this layer right here, and when brushing you use the layer 2 to brush, which takes care of the skin color. So I'm just going to start by brushing. I'll make sure I pick my mixer brush and make sure you select a clean brush. So once I'm done, I make sure, and you too, you should be sure that your weight is at 30, your load at 30, and mix at 30, flow at 30 as well. So once you're done with all of this, you are good to go. So I'll just start brushing my image. I'll increase the brush a bit, so I'll just start brushing. So I told you earlier that the layer 2 is actually for the skin color, while the layer 1 is for the skin texture. So I'll just brush. You can see there are some blemishes down there, but shouldn't worry, I'll take those off. I'll come right back to this, then I'll pick my chrome stamp and make sure I reduce the chrome stamp to a smaller size. So I'll just start picking. I love using chrome stamp because it doesn't leave scar on the image. So I'll just pick them one after the other. See, the blemishes is not that much. I'll just pick this part also. I'll come right to this part. So what I'm doing now, I'm picking the blemishes off, but you're not to take it much. So once I'm done picking the blemishes, I'll come back to the layer 2 and I'll also pick on my mixer brush and I'll continue brushing. So while brushing, I'm trying to blend the highlight and the texture. So while brushing, you should have that at the back of your mind, so you don't get rid of the highlight. It will flatten the image. I'll just brush this. you need to be careful. This is actually a tutorial video, that's why I'm doing fast, just so I can meet up with time. So when doing yours, you need to take your time and brush your image gently and pay attention to the highlight and shadows. You shouldn't get rid of any, but instead blend it too. So I'll just brush this part and reduce the size so it won't affect the lips. So I'll come right back here. I'll pick up my clone stamp again, which is here, and I'll pick this little blemishes down here. Pick this off. Then I'll now pick up my mixer brush again and start brushing. So what I want to do right here, I want to get rid of that line and try blending it. So I'll pick on the clone stamp, then I'll just run through the area which the line is. So once I'm done with that, I'll pick on the mixer brush again. Then I'll brush this. I don't want to take it off totally, I just want to blend it. You can now see it's good that way instead of how it was earlier. I'll just brush this part. You can see the way I'm turning my brush and now everything is going. So I'll come right to this part and do a gently touch on it. So you can now see on the face now, you can now see the before and after. Before and after. So I'll come right down to the neck area and I'll still continue brushing this area as well. And just brush it. And just take it gently. You now see the neck part is actually looking smooth. I'll pick on the clone stamp, then I'll just pick a few blemishes off. I'll come to this other area, I'll pick on the layer 2. I'll still continue brushing. So I'll come right to this other area. I'll do the same. So once I'm done with this part, I said earlier this is actually a tutorial video, that's why I'm rushing. So you can see this lip right here. I want to get rid of these dots here. So I'll pick on the layer 1, then I'll use the clone stamp and make sure I reduce the clone stamp to be smaller size. I just pick it. Then I'll come here and pick on my mixer brush as well, and I'll just make a slight touch on it. You can see how it's looking. So this is the image after I'm done with the frequency separation. And just pick this out and zoom it out to make a final retouch, like brushing on it. So if you're interested on knowing why I zoom it out to brush, you can just drop your question on the comment section so I can get to tell you why I did so. So you can now see the before and after of it. See the before and after. So this area right is not looking really nice, so I'll just blend it. So after all of the frequency separation, this is how the picture is looking, the before and after. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos coming. But for now, see you in the next video. Bye for now.